So let's talk about excessive yawning around people. Chances are one of two things is happening. Number one is they could be so consumed with negative energy that you're actually picking up on it. And the other half is that they could just be an energy vampire. Either which way, the yawn is an indicator that you have encountered negative energy and your energy is trying to put itself back to a neutral position and to dispel somebody else's funk. So again, embrace the yawn and expel it with intention and purpose. If you enjoyed that tip, like and follow for more.